gonna try Ted's Bakery. So this has been recommended by a bunch of people, and it's all over like where to eat in Hawaii. It's famous for their pies, so we're gonna try the chocolate haupia pie, and then we also have a lilikoi cheese pie, which is passion fruit, and then a guava cheesecake. So let's try it.
This is so good. It's not too sweet.
You know, the flavor on this is so subtle. Like the passion fruit that we had earlier in the drink was overpowering. This one, it's like a really good cheesecake, and it's so light and fluffy. Like you can't even tell it's cheesecake. The consistency of the cheesecake is almost whipped cream-like. And then you have this hint of passion fruit, and then the crust is really good. This might be the best cheesecake.
This is probably the best.
Well, it's cheese pie. Is there a difference?
Cream pie I've ever had. It's so good. Oh, shut up!
Let me try that.
It's so good. I don't like cheesecake, so I hope this is good.
It's cheese pie.
I don't like cheese.
Cheese pie. That one I think is a cheesecake. Oh man, this is good.
This is so good. I was doubting it because there's the word cheese in it, but it's not. It's not dense. It's very light and fluffy, like the cheese itself. And it doesn't taste super rich. I like that. I mean, sometimes it's like touch and go with me with cheesecake. But cheese pie, this is really good.
Cheese pie is way better than cheesecake. Alright, I'm gonna try that. This looks like a cheesecake. Or maybe, I think it's just a cake.
I thought it was just a cake. I don't know how to try. What's your thoughts? Is it a cake? Is it a cheesecake?
This is a cake, but it's so airy. It's so airy and so light. Like it doesn't have the same consistency as a regular cake. And this guava, it's not overpowering.
It's like after you eat it, it's in the back of your mouth taste, huh?
Yeah. It's a very subtle taste.
I wish the guava would come through more with this one.
Yeah, it's not a strong guava taste. It's very subtle. It's good if you don't like guava too much though.
But to me, this one's just okay for me. I think the cake itself is very filling on these. On this one at least.
Yeah.
It's fluffy.
But it is more filling than the pies.
The pies are nice and light, especially the cheese one. Thank you.
Okay, we have here Matsumoto Shave Ice. So apparently it's been the best shave ice in Hawaii since 2016. So we'll see, we'll compare. We got mango, Ichiban style. Ichiban style comes with condensed milk, asuka beans, vanilla ice cream, and mochi. So we got a mango and we got a bubblegum flavor. We got the mango so we can compare it exactly to what our previous one yesterday was.
Ice Monster.
Alright, so let's try the shave ice itself.
We can just shave. Ooh, it's like mango soda. That's what it reminds me of.
Oh yeah, it does does taste like a mango soda. That's interesting.
It's so good with the mochi and the red beans.
Milk.
I haven't gotten the condensed milk. Oh, okay.
That's probably why.
I have been waiting for this style of shaved ice with the azuki beans and the mochi, and it's so good. It surpassed my expectation for it. Yours?
I'm gonna get some. So the bubblegum flavor is not as strong as I thought it was gonna be. Mentally, I was preparing myself to compare it with like the Mexican style shaved ice. But the bubblegum flavor on this is super subtle. It's not super strong like the Mexican one.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're right. It's like a milky style of like a bubblegum taste.
It's like a haichu.
Yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah, so if you like haichu, I would compare it to that. And haichu is good, so.
And if you're like me and you like that Mexican corn man ice shaved ice thing, I think bubblegum wise that one is the better one. But shaved ice itself, so it's not melting.
Okay.
Like we mentioned before, supposedly from what we heard is you could tell the quality of a shaved ice is if it doesn't melt fast, or if it doesn't melt too quickly, you could tell the shaved ice's quality.
And also, the guy told us these bowls they're in, it's edible, so you could eat the whole thing.
He said don't eat the paper because that's not edible.
Oh yeah, not this, but the bowl itself, which is so cool. Get your money's worth. How much was these?
These are about $8 each.
That's pretty good pricing. It's big. This is a size small, right?
This is small and it's freaking huge.
It's really refreshing though.
Alright, so comparing the two, the most popular or one of the most popular shave ice places versus a relatively unknown place, what would you say wins?
To me, I really like this one because, like I said, I was really looking forward to a shaved ice that has the mochi itself and the azuki beans. And as far as the mango goes, it's not like super mango-y as in like the mango fruit. To me, it was like more of a mango soda. So this one, overall, I enjoyed eating because it's the stuff I wanted to eat. But as far as this shaved ice itself, I think I like Ice Monster's mango shaved ice
Better than Matsumoto.
Yeah, but
Only the shaved ice.
Just the shaved ice itself, but
the
way
shaved ice and the flavor.
And the flavor, yeah. But as far as the way it's eaten, I enjoyed this a lot more. If anything, I would come back for this because I enjoyed it so much more. Because the flavor itself, the mango is good, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna say flavor-wise, I like this mango more. Just the mango itself. The other one did have a stronger more fruity mango taste to it. But I think the condensed milk with the mango is what makes it superior. But if you want something more fruity and less, I don't want to say artificial because I don't think it's an artificial taste, but if you want something that tastes more like the fruit itself than shaved ice with a flavor, I think Ice Monster takes that. It has a more natural type taste than Matsumoto. It's super good. It's probably the best shaved ice combination of flavors ever. And this is Ichiban style.
Oh, maybe that's what it's called. Number 1.
But yeah, I think overall Ice Monster has the best, like, just standalone flavor of the shave ice.
But best combo is the Ichiban.
Yeah. You have, like, if you're gonna do Matsumoto, I think you have to do it Ichiban style because, you know, the combination of flavors is what makes this probably the best. Not just the one flavor or one particular flavor style of, you know, whatever flavor you get.
I think because your mouth is getting different types of textures. You have the shaved ice part, and then you have mochi, which is like nice and chewy, and then the azuki beans it's tender, but it's a different texture, and I like that. And then you have the creaminess of the condensed milk and also the ice cream on top of it, so it's nice. Okay, your car.
Jeeps. I don't get it.
Just how we started.
Aloha! We're currently at Waiahole Poi Factory. We just got finished with our ATV tour at Jurassic Park, also known as Kualoa Ranch. So we're here to try out some poi for the first time, and apparently they have some other good food. So here we ordered the Kana'aka Nui, and it comes with lau lau. Lau lau is this green stuff here. We ordered the beef lau lau. And then we also ordered, it comes with chicken long rice. The white clear stuff there. And then it also has kalua pig. That's that. And then it also comes with lomi salmon. And of course, it comes with poi. And then lastly, we also get a small dessert. It's a little piece of haupia. So we've tried haupia and it's super good, so we're looking forward to this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the lau lau. Okay, it's a very earthy flavor.
I tried, this is the kalua pig. It's very flavorful.
Okay, so the lau lau comes with this other sauce. It's like it's also a green sauce. It's very flavorful, it has a saltiness to it. Saltiness and creaminess to it. It almost has a taste of like mashed peas.
That's good. No, there's a Filipino dish that tastes similar to this. It's like something my dad would make, and he makes really good food.
Kalua pork is really good. It's so flavorful.
He's right. The green stuff that's covering the pork It's very earthy, but it's a really nice taste.
The chicken long rice. If you've had sotang ho, this is exactly what it tastes like.
Oh, let's try the poi. Okay. We're not really familiar with Hawaiian food. We don't eat it often. And we don't know how it tastes. People say you either like it or you hate it. So we'll see.
Let's hope I like it.
Let's hope I like it too. It sounds interesting. There's not much taste to it, but it's not bad.
So it has like a gelatin-like consistency. Maybe even like a thick custard or thick pudding consistency. It's not sweet. It's almost like a potato. I know it comes like from taro, right? I heard it's like taro based, but you know, it's not like overpowering on flavor, and I feel like it's just a good way to put other flavors on top of it. It's more like a
rice.
Yeah, like a, you know, like a conduit for other flavors. So
is this how you eat it? You put this with it?
That's good. That looks good. That's how to do it.
So good.
Yeah, see,
so well.
poi by itself doesn't really have much flavor, but if you put it on something, or you put something on it that's flavorful, it kind of enhances the flavor.
So I'm gonna try this salmon. What?
Lomi salmon.
Lomi salmon. I've never had lomi salmon before. I thought when we first got it, I thought it was salsa.
Yeah, me too.
It has a bit of a salsa taste, but it's so refreshing. It's so good.
Is it like a cooked salmon?
It tastes cooked. I'm not sure.
So I'm not a big fan of cooked salmon. There's very few cooked salmons that I actually like. I like my salmon typically like sushi or raw. Okay. You get more of a salsa taste than anything. And the salmon is just a hint of salmon. It's almost like a smoked salmon. It's almost like, you know, like when you do smoked salmon on like a bagel with tomato. It's almost like that minus the cream cheese.
But it's pretty refreshing, right?
It is very refreshing. If you're wondering, it's 79 degrees outside. Warm for our standards.
Yeah. But this sotanghon, which is not sotanghon, is very similar.
Chicken long rice.
Chicken long rice. It's really good. Very comforting.
Let's try this drink. So they also have in-house made drinks. This is just a limeade.
They were out of, what was that?
They had something called Ava. I'm not sure exactly what Ava is. I wanted to order it, but
whoa, that was good.
That's a good limeade.
It's perfect for today.
Alright, we're gonna finish enjoying the rest of this food.
We have one more. Lastly, we have to try this. It's a dessert, but I think it's worth a try right now. Oh, that's good. You got it. Like, it's not too sweet. It's very coconutty. So if you love coconut, it's so good.
It's a really subtle flavor. It doesn't overpower you. It doesn't hit you in the face with coconut or any sweetness. It's not even that sweet, but it's a subtle sweetness. It has a hint of coconut, and it's like Jello, like coconut Jello, but probably
a bit different.
Probably less processed. Alright, we're gonna finish enjoying food. Okay, we are now at Island Snow. So we're comparing Island Snow's shave ice to Matsumoto and to Ice Monster. So their style is similar to Matsumoto. It's basically, they have the ice cream, they have the azuki beans, and I think there's some mochi under it, and condensed milk on top. So it's more similar to Matsumoto. The mango, so we have a comparison to all three places, all mango flavor. And then we got an ube. They have an ube flavor here. The mango, you get to select all natural flavors or not, or standard. So I chose the all natural mango and then the standard for ube. Let's try it out.
This is the mango, it's yellow. Oh, yeah, you could taste that.
Natural flavor? Oh, that ube, holy crap. The ube, eating this ube with the condensed milk, 100% tastes like halo halo.
This tastes like straight up mango, which is crazy because I haven't really seen mango in it. Like, Ice Monster had pieces of mango, so you could tell it was mango, but this is very mango-y, minus the mangoes. It's really good.
And when you dig to the bottom of it, you have the azuki beans and ice cream, and it really, for the ube at least, it really makes it taste like halo halo. This is the beans.
Oh look, now I found, I think this is mochi with an azuki bean right there. Well, that's good. Well, you really gotta dig.
Yeah. It's good though.
This is really very good.
Their shave ice, the shave itself, melts quite a bit faster though.
Oh man, that is very ube.
Yeah. The mango flavor is pretty subtle.
You think so?
Ooh.
You could taste that. What? I didn't get a pink one!
Pink mochi!
I'm digging. Ooh. This is good. This is a good flavor. I think this is on the azuki. It's huge. Oh.
That's really good with that.
Ube with the azuki beans really does halo halo. So far, all the shave ice we've had.
Better than any shave ice on the mainland.
They don't disappoint. They're all different in some way. It's very hard. It's just depending on the type you like, I guess. Oh, finally, look, a pink one.
Borderline brain freeze right now.
It's very good.
I'm like afraid for my next bite because I feel like it's gonna hit me with a brain freeze. Alright. So, in your opinion, what is which out of the three takes third place?
It's very hard. But like, if we're comparing with like just mangoes, mango and the way that it is, or the style of it, I'm gonna go with Matsumoto, although the taste is like more like a mango soda type and not like actual mango. I love the way that, like, the way we got it as the ichiban. I love that the bowl was edible. I love the what do you call this? Shaved ice itself. And I love the mochi that it came with in the azuki beans. So that would be the first for me.
Second place.
Second place, I would have to say the Ice Monster because of the more natural tasting mango. Their shaved ice was very, I'm gonna say, like soft and creamy. And then the fact that there was fresh mangoes to go along with it, it made it like punch in your face mango. But you know, this place, Island Snow, you can't go wrong because this is our first ube in the trip, and it was so good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah. How about you?
I'm probably gonna have to agree with you. First place would be Matsumoto. The whole experience itself for the edible bowl was really good. The azuki beans, condensed milk mochi, and the mango was pretty good there too. But overall, Matsumoto, I think quality overall. And then Ice Monster would be second. Ice Monster, the mango, they had the best mango, 100%. That's most flavorful, most natural taste, and you actually have mango, pieces of fruit. And then third place would be this. The ube though is like the standout of all of them. I think this is my favorite flavor so far from all of the three places. But overall, I think the quality, this would be third place in overall quality. The ice melts really fast.
Really quick.
You gotta drink it pretty quickly. The azuki beans were good. The mochi was good. The condensed, everything was good. You know, the unfortunate thing is it just melts a little bit faster. But they're all flavorful, and like you said earlier, you know, they're all different styles in a way. So you really can't go wrong.
Yeah.
And if you could only see my mouth, because our camera setup's a little beat up.
The noodle dish tastes like Indomie, but a very good one, especially with the fresh cucumber and the red sauce that comes with it. It's very good. I love Indomie, so I like this a lot. This one, it has a taste of like the Filipino food called caldereta, I think, but it has spices that make it different. It's very good. Like, I would say comforting type of food, maybe because it's like a stew-like. And as far as the fried rice goes, I think the fried rice tastes like where you find that Chinese food restaurant fried rice. And the samosas earlier was really good, especially when you dip it into the sauce. And I love how crispy it was.
So, this is our second time trying Burmese food. And so far, I like it better than the one we had in San Francisco. It's very flavorful. There's a lot of similarities to like Thai and Indonesian and even like Chinese. But you can tell there's a slight difference in taste. A little bit more spice. And not as much five spice. Which I appreciate. But so far it's really good. So today for breakfast we have the local deluxe from McDonald's. It comes with 2 pieces of Spam, 2 pieces of Portuguese sausage, eggs, and tons of rice. Alright, so this is one of the Hawaii only exclusive items in McDonald's. also we got a strawberry banana smoothie, and this is also one of those local Hawaii specialties. Alright.
Comes with original blend soy sauce.
Okay. Put some of that on the rice. You know, us kamaaina like this stuff. 4 days in, I'm already a local. It's 3 pieces of Portuguese sausage. This is what I'm most curious about. It's good.
It was good. It tastes like longanisa. Very similar. I like the rice.
It's not as sweet as like regular longanisa, but it has like a hint.
It's probably the same spices. They just probably didn't put like sugar, maybe. It's more savory.
Like with all Filipino dishes, they had sugar. That's what half of us are diabetic. Spam is good. Salty. Not overly salty like most spam. Maybe they use the low sodium spam. I would take this over mainland style breakfast.
McDonald's
breakfast all day.
We tried to get the hapia, what do you call
Hapia
that? Pie. But they said it was seasonal. They didn't have that.
Yeah.
And eggs, just an egg, same thing.
Yeah, the eggs just taste. I think they taste the same anywhere in any McDonald's.
It's good.
Any different from any other like strawberry banana smoothies?
They take it over jamba.
Really? I like jamba. I don't know. I might take this over jamba.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Like the strawberry and the banana flavors actually,
Come out a lot.
yeah, they're very strong. I was expecting this like fake banana taste or like overly processed, too sweet, but it's like the natural flavors of the banana and the strawberry really come out.
Yeah.
It's nice and refreshing, especially for a hot day in Hawaii.
Like that.
Alright, after hiking and almost dying at Cocoa Crater
And also going to the Humane Society.
and rescuing a dog and bringing it to the Humane Society here in Honolulu, we are back at 7-Eleven. We are going to try their deluxe spam musubi.
The difference with this one has egg and furikake.
And this one is the longanisa tocino egg and rice plate.
We had to because we're Filipinos.
And then this is pork hash, which looks like
Shumai?
shumai.
Pork shumai.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're trying. So I'm gonna try the spam.
Alright. I love pork tocino. Don't disappoint.
It's good. But it has the little sauce with it though.
So the tocino's okay. The tocino,
It's not super tocino.
Yeah, usually you get like that strong tocino sweetness flavor. It doesn't really have it. Let's try that a little bit. So.
I'm gonna try the pork hash. It didn't come with sauce, so I don't know if it's supposed to or not, but we don't have one, so we're just gonna try it. Oh, it's good. It's very flavorful.
Should I go grab some sauce?
No, I think it's fine without it.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
The eggs taste like eggs. Nothing special about that.
Okay. It's good.
Very flavorful.
I think I take those over the buns that they sell.
The manapuas.
Mm.
You know, us locals refer to them as manapuas. You know, when you bite into the shumai, there was like a texture inside that was like a...
I know what you're talking about, but I don't know what it is.
It's almost like an onion.
Like a vegetable. Oh, I like the tocino. I think it's good. I think it's sweet enough.
I like my tocino super sweet and super oily.
Yeah, I know.
This one's really good though. It is a lot better than the manapua.
How about, did you try the egg on this? Or it's just an egg is an egg?
To me it just tastes like egg.
Let me try the longanisa. Longanisa is good. I miss longanisa. I don't eat longanisa that much.
This musubi was okay.
I think the one with the teriyaki sauce must be the good one. I didn't get it. I think that's it. That's all you're getting?
Egg rolls?
How's that? Needs to be stronger.
If you like this vlog, please consider liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for the next one.